This is Artea, a 340-unit multifamily development located in the Southbank of downtown Jacksonville. This is a transit-oriented development, or TOD, which means it's intentionally designed with transportation in mind. TODs are mixed-use communities that help create more compact, walkable, sustainable urban environments by connecting visitors and residents with nearby transportation. In walking distance of Artea, there's the bus, scooters, the Skyway, and directly across the street, the water taxi. Artea is not the only development activating the Southbank. It's actually being built next door to another popular development, River's Edge, that'll have hotels, multifamily, public parks. Mixed-use developments have a lot to offer in a relatively small amount of space. From retail, hotels, and multifamily living with luxury amenities, this helps create density, which is the amount of people in a given area. The more density you have, the more demand you have from bigger retailers, which ultimately helps your city create critical mass.